Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes from scratch. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F, line a 12-cup muffin tin, and gather ingredients on the counter. Measure flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, then soften butter and warm milk slightly. Use 2 bowls for dry and wet ingredients, then combine gently to avoid overmixing. Scoop batter evenly and bake until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool before frosting. Start by creaming butter and sugar until they look light and fluffy, which traps air for lift. Add eggs one at a time to keep the emulsion stable, then alternate adding sifted dry ingredients with milk in 3 parts. Mix just until combined. A few streaks are fine. This gentle technique prevents dense cupcakes and helps achieve a soft crumb perfect for frosting and fillings later. Fill each paper cup about 2/3 full so cupcakes rise without spilling over. Place tins in the middle rack and bake for 16 to 20 minutes, rotating once for even color. Use a toothpick to check doneness. It should come out clean or with a few crumbs. Let cupcakes cool in the pan briefly, then move them to a wire rack for at least 15 minutes before applying frosting or fillings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.